We are excited to introduce the MCHS Virtual Front Office. Here's what we'll be going over today: the vision, opening day, operating hours, participating parties, schedule, and communication. Our vision. This virtual front office will be the new MiraCosta High School phone number, one Zoom ID for all. The goal is to connect our students and their families to our school and increase available in-person communication. Opening day is Tuesday, September 8th. Operating hours will be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Here are the people that will be participating in the virtual front office. Groups include office staff, school counselors, college and career counselors, our school finance officer, and administration. Schedule and communication. We have provided a link to available times for participating parties here. This will be updated as schedules change. Please take a look at the link to this Google Slides in the Costa Connected Hub. This screencast will also be linked here. We're excited to see you all in the virtual front office. Go Costa!